super fast video on how to flesh out your idea for an app using ChatGPT. So let's say I want to build something that I personally will never build, so I'll throw this idea out there. Let's say I'd like to build an app for relationship advice using the OpenAI API, because I don't think ChatGPT knows yet that ChatGPT's API is now available. So I'll just phrase it that way. How can I, let's see, please show me a high-level overview of what an app flow might look like. Please number the steps. Let's see what we get here. Okay, so it's giving you a user flow for your app. User inputs. The input is sent to the OpenAI API. Machine learning processes the language, and you get the response from the API, present it to the user, and so on and so forth. Now you can ask ChatGPT, please list tools and packages which I might use to build each of those steps. Please number them according to the above steps. Now, hopefully, it's going to give you open source stuff. Oh, there we go. So you'll need a place to put the inputs. That'll be a front end. And you'll need a back end to handle the inputs and send stuff to the API. You need some authentication. Cool. Python and JavaScript. Front end framework like React or Vue.js in item 4. So you can actually ask for clarification on any one of these. So like, let's say, let's see. Let's say form elements. Let's see if app sends input text API, a backend server. Let's say, can you give more detail on exactly which packages I could use for item 2 on that list? Please note that I am familiar with Python and JavaScript. See the answer it's going to give there. It's taken a while, but you're kind of already seeing how you can use ChatGPT to help you to build your app, to get started, because getting started is really hard. And you have a handy dandy checklist here now. So it's going to give you some packages. It's taking a little bit of time here. I'll go ahead and start phrasing the next question. So I think your next question would be some pseudocode. So I would say, please give me some pseudocode for each of those, how many steps was it? 8 steps? Each of those 8 steps you outlined in the flow, please use the names of specific packages, tools. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think we really don't need all this detail, so I'll just ask it to stop generating so I can get to the next question and keep this video short. But you're kind of already seeing where everything's going here, hopefully. And now it's going to give you some, well, it's not really pseudocode, that's pretty much code. Yep, and it's even giving you the back end, which is great. So you pretty much have a starting point for each step of your app. And you could actually copy paste a lot of this and get something bare bones running in your browser locally. And if you have any issues getting it running, you can always come back and ask ChatGPT, hey, I'm getting this error, or hey, nothing's appearing in my browser. And it will actually tell you, you know, here's some options to fix that. You know, there's a few deprecated things that it doesn't know about because it hasn't been updated over the past year or whatever, its knowledge base. But for the most part, it's pretty helpful with troubleshooting as well. So hopefully that was helpful for you. And stay tuned for the next one. Let me know in the comments if you try this with ChatGPT and how it works out for you. And if there are any other ChatGPT or Python or API related topics that you'd like me to go over. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy coding journey to all of you.